Hey guys, it's Jen. Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you what Russian ball piping tips are really intended for. There are tons of tutorials out there showing you how to use them for cupcakes, which is beautiful, but there's always this hole in the middle and it just doesn't make sense. The inventor of Russian ball piping tips intended these for flowers so that you could put a different color frosting in the middle for the pistil, I think it's called. Okay, full disclosure, I don't know that is true. But this is my theory, okay? And I feel very strongly about it. Does anybody know for sure who invented these and what was the intention of these Russian ball piping tips? Let me know what you think in the comments below. I'm gonna convince you in this tutorial that these were intended for flowers because they make the most beautiful flowers and it's so easy. Let's do this. First, make sure you squeeze the frosting out a little bit to make sure that nothing's clogged up and they're all coming out evenly. Place the tip of the ball on the surface and you simply squeeze and twist. And you can stop it and, readjust your hand. It's no problem. Frosting's not going anywhere. And when you like how it looks, you just stop and think for a second and then you squeeze it and twist just for a moment and then you quickly jerk the bag away. I'd say I made about 2 rotations and voila, you have this beautiful flower with beautiful petals and you have this nice hollow center that you can pipe your pistil in. You probably got regular Russian piping tips when you got your ball tip, so you can actually use that to pipe your center. That's actually my next video, 5 secrets to piping Russian tips. Or you can just pipe like 5 little dots in the middle, or even simpler, you could just add some edible pearls to the middle. You can just do whatever you'd like. See, isn't this just perfect for flowers? I'm telling you, I think my theory is right. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you next time.